Use the centered formula TF minus 40 equals 9/5 times TC minus 40, then add 40 back to convert between Fahrenheit and Celsius. Think of the cold spot, where both temperature scales agree. Negative 40 degrees is the same on both Fahrenheit and Celsius, so you move the scales to that point first. Subtract 40 from the Fahrenheit number and subtract 40 from the Celsius number to line them up, then multiply by 9/5 to go from Celsius-style units to Fahrenheit-style units, or multiply by 5/9 to go the other way, and finally add 40 back to return to the normal scale. This keeps one compact relation that handles both conversions without memorizing two separate formulas and makes the math more consistent. If you imagine sliding both rulers so they meet at negative 40, converting becomes just a stretch and a shift. A common mistake is forgetting to add or subtract 40, which leaves your result shifted and wrong. Always undo the initial 40 offset at the end. Another error is using 9/5 when you should use 5/9, or vice versa. So check which direction you are converting. To Fahrenheit, use 9/5, and to Celsius, use 5/9. Also, watch Arithmetic with fractions. Convert to decimals or reduce carefully to avoid simple multiplication errors. For more videos and resources on this topic, visit www.gumballdegree.com.